Reinwaste is a cooperation project that has been funded by the Interreg-Med, the European program, that was born to contribute in the reduction of inorganic waste within the agri-food chain. We have been testing very innovative solutions in 3 value chains: horticulture, dairy and meat, and in 3 European regions: Andalucía in Spain, Sud-PACA Côte d'Azur in France, and Emilia-Romagna in Italy.
Grupo La Caña is testing 3 different kinds of compostable raffia for giving tomato plants outwards instead of using conventional staking elements.
COESPAL has participated as expert in Reinwaste project, being responsible for the implementation of 3 out of 5 pilot tests.
We expect to have a better and more ecological choice and make use of it in our company.
Substitute the commonly used plastic mulch with environmentally friendly materials.
Reinwaste project has provided our company with a wider vision of inorganic waste management, as well as techniques and indicators that enable us reaching our sustainability objectives in an easier and more profitable way.
Because of the Reinwaste, we use larger containers for detergents that can we refill many times.
Reinwaste project help us to improve our awareness and knowledge in the waste management and to involve our employers in the process.
For inorganic waste management, my company uses containers for waste collection.
For us, innovation agriculture means to collect data and analytics data in order to improve our precision in agriculture farming.
We manage an organic waste from production process in accordance of regulation of government and help from ecological fund. Developed solution could reduce our costs of production and increase sustainability of our company.
I think that a European project like Reinwaste could really support the cheese company in finding innovative solutions for packaging and to reduce waste.
All inorganic waste from our production cycle we manage in cooperation with recycling companies. Solutions from Reinwaste project increase consciousness of our management and guide us towards more sustainable practice in waste management.
The biggest challenge today is to reduce our plastic consumption. One of the improvement clues identified in the Reinwaste project would be to avoid the last reconditioning step. The cooking packaging would also become the packaging of the final product, but this involves lots of technical issues, so this is being studied by our packaging suppliers.